Here are the two types of Google responses happening right now. On the left, standard Google search. Someone searches best plumber in town. They get 8 million results, 10 blue links. Your client might be in there somewhere if their SEO is good. On the right, AI overview. Same search. But instead of links, Google just answers. It picks one business, writes a paragraph about them, shows their rating, their hours, a button to call them directly. The person searching never scrolls down. They never see the other results. They just call the business Google recommended. If that's not your client, it's their competitor. What makes this so urgent right now? This isn't happening on every search yet, but the percentage is growing every single month. And the businesses that are showing up in that AI overview box, they didn't get there by accident. Their digital footprint sends the right signals to AI, and Google rewards them with, well, a recommendation. The businesses that aren't showing up, well, they have gaps. Gaps that are completely fixable once you know they exist. It's exactly what an AI visibility audit identifies. If you want to see how any of your clients score right now, you can run a free audit in about 90 seconds at RediForAI.com/try. No account, no credit card, full PDF report emailed to you immediately. Run it on your best client first. I guarantee you'll be surprised at what you find. I'm Jeff Mays. I'll see you on the next one.